I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Tuesday, October 7th. Soybeans did close modestly higher, maintaining some cautious optimism about the potential for a trade aid announcement from the federal government this week, while also continuing to wait for a meeting between President Trump and President Xi at the end of this month to talk about tariffs. In between now and then, the trade will continue to keep an eye on U.S. harvest activity and planting weather in South America, which generally looks favorable. As for corn, it did close lower, seeing some harvest pressure, even if we don't know how much corn was harvested over the past week because of the current ongoing shutdown of the federal government. The trade was expecting generally good progress in many key U.S. growing areas, and while forecasts for this week remain mixed, most areas are expected to make some decent progress again over the next few days. Corn, of course, also keeping an eye on those generally favorable planting conditions in Argentina and Brazil. Wheat closed lower. The big bearish factor there continues to be the rising global supply along with U.S. harvest activity, with many analysts expecting the USDA to report that at about 50% complete if we did have a weekly crop progress and condition update this week. Live and feeder cattle closed higher, with feeders in the lead on the generally very tight supply of market-ready numbers in the major feeding areas, along with the higher midday move in beef. Direct cash cattle markets remained quiet, no bids or asking prices as of yet. And hogs closed lower, pressured by technical selling and questions about sustained domestic demand. The pork carcass cutout value was higher at midday on Tuesday, but that's been very inconsistent again as of late. With the closing market minute for Tuesday, October 7th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.